Hello and welcome to this course. Myself Muhammad Abdul Razak, and I'm your instructor in this course. So in this course we will learn about Wi-Fi hacking. First of all, I wanted to give you a quick overview about this course. Basically, we will start from scratch. This course is totally practical, but don't worry, we will not neglect the theory. First, we will learn how to install Kali Linux as a virtual machine, then we will learn how to boot Kali Linux into a pendrive. Then we will discuss some basics about Kali Linux, some of its commands and so on. Then we will discuss some basics about networks. Then we will discuss all about different types of encryption used to protect the Wi-Fi. We will see how to break them all. And in the last section we will discuss advanced methods of hacking Wi-Fi. At the last, I want to say you to watch the complete course first, then do it in practical. The more you practice, the best you will know. If you have any queries or questions regarding this course, then I'm happy to answer you all of them. Just ask me in the Q&A section. Your question will be answered as soon as possible. There has been a lot of efforts to create this course. So, please give a review, which motivates me to bring more courses for you.